gonna do, Bailey?
Today we're going to make Pepsi floats.
Great! I'm a Pepsi girl. I like Pepsi. With Fritos, without Fritos. With food, without food. So why not make Pepsi floats? Yes, and we would think that the 12-ounce glass would be big enough. No, folks. We have to go with the 16-ounce glass. I have to show you why in just a minute. Okay, Bailey.
Yes.
1/3 cup of vanilla ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, well. We're going to miss a little bit of that. It's okay.
It's not quite a bite, so we'll
Not
be
quite
fine.
right. Okay. One in each one. Then we're going to put 1/2 cup or 4 ounces of Pepsi in our cup. 4 ounces of Pepsi. You ready?
I am. You want me to pour it in there?
Sure. There's your measuring cup. Oh, yes. Okay, try this one. At first glance, it looks like you could use a 12-ounce cup. But look what happens. If you use this, then you miss all this stuff from here to here is all over your cabinet, and you miss it. And it's good stuff. So, Bailey, here we go. And our whole float, oh, yes, our whole float has got 35 milligrams of sodium. Mm-hmm.
It's better than a root beer float.
You know what? Oh, that's tasty.
Very.
It is. Mm-hmm.
I'll eat yours if you don't finish it.
Mm-hmm. You might have to make you another one. Mm-hmm. You might. You can double it, but you probably need a 20-ounce glass, and I don't have one. So we're not doubling. We're just going to have it this way. Mm-hmm. Subscribe to my channel, and you'll get a new low-sodium recipe every Friday. Mm-hmm. Oh, 'tis good.
You did a good job, Grandma.
Mm. I think it was the way you poured the Pepsi.
My bartending skills came
That's it.
in handy
They do.
for the
They
first time.
just they come out. They do. Mm-hmm. Oh, 'tis good. Uh-huh. Mm. Enjoy your Pepsi floats. Oh, looks like Bailey's going to make another one. So, Bailey, do we have anything else we want to tell the good folks out there?
Make sure you subscribe, and we're going to do croutons pretty soon.
Whoa, very good. Outstanding day in the neighborhood.